Hello honeys, welcome back to Beauty Bay's YouTube channel. My name's Imogen from Imogenation, and today I have created this makeup look which I'm absolutely obsessed with, using a full face of first impressions of Beauty Bay exclusives. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep watching. So for my brows, I'm going to be trying the Jordana Quick Brow Micro Pencil, and this is in the shade Dark Brunette. I'm so excited. So I'm going to take the spoolie end first, and I'm going to brush up my eyebrows, just so I can fill in any gaps that I see straight away. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the tip of the brow where the point is. So that's my arch there. So I'm going to take my arch and I'm just going to drag it straight down to connect with that line. You know, some brow pencils I use, when I draw really lightly, they don't come out, but this is actually really good. That is coming out even though I'm being light. Come on then. Then I'm going to take my spoolie and brush up again. Spoolie is such a cute little word. And I'm going to brush up again, and then you're going to be able to see any areas you need to fill in. So I can see some gaps here, and I'm just going to brush, like brush strokes, very soft and lightly, brushing in the way the hair's going. Then what I'm going to do, I'll finish this one after I've done this one, but I'm going to take my Jordana Fabu Brow Shape and Set Gel, and this is in the colour Dark Brown. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to carve my eyebrows out because I like a sharp brow. You know about this life. So I'm going to take the Cinema Secrets Pro Cosmetics in the colour Light Red Neutralizer, and this is the Ultimate Corrector. I'm going to take any angled brush, but this is the Morphe angled brush with a spoolie on the end. I'm just going to dip it into the product. We are going to carve out those brows, honeybees. Whatever finger this one is, I'm going to take this one because it's meant to be the best pressure. So it's the lightest finger, and what you're going to do is just press in. So there's not so much of a harsh line, just on the edge. Not too heavy. Then I'm going to take a flat definer brush and I'm going to put it straight back into the concealer that I'm using from Cinema Secrets. And we're just going to pat this all over our lid to create a base for our eye makeup, which I'm really excited / don't really know what I'm doing with it, but I know what I'm going to go, kind of. Then I need to set that base so I can apply my eyeshadow straight on top. So I'm going to take my Ofa Pressed Powder Oil Control, and I'm going to take my Sigma Tapered Blending Brush, and I'm just going to apply this all over the lid, just to set that. Then with the same tapered blending brush, I'm going to take the Makeup Geek eyeshadow, and it's the Creme Brulee eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this into my crease as our transition colour. Then I'm going to go into my crease and darken that further with the colour Frappe. I'm not going to go as high up, I'm still going to darken that crease. Then I'm going to go with another Sigma Tapered Blending Brush, and I'm going to go with the colour Tuscan Sun. And this is like a pinky mauve colour. Then I'm going to go with my Morphe M513. I'm going to take the colour Bitten. And what we're going to do is, we're going to apply this on the outer and the inner, but leaving the centre part clear, so then we can put the pigment on over the top. Okay, so then with any flat definer, I'm going to take the Makeup Geek eyeshadow in Curtain Call, and this is a foiled eyeshadow. I swatched this eyeshadow earlier, and it is so pigmented, I can't even wait to put it on my eyes. I was like, oh my gosh. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the colour that I use on the outer part of my eyes and the inner corner part of my eyes. It's called Bitten, like we used earlier, and I'm just going to blend out any harsh lines. Okay, so I'm just going to coat my lashes with a light coat of mascara. I'm going to take the Art Deco Amazing Effect Mascara, and I'm just going to do this to give me a little bit of a base before I put my lashes on. So then I'm going to put my lashes on off camera because nobody wants to see me struggle to my eyelashes, and it might take a while, so I'll save you the time, angels. Okay, so I'm going to take the primer from Misslin, Time to Prime Silky Soft Skin Primer. I'm all about it. Let's try this, Hans. See, first impressions, still got the the cap on it. So soft. Look at that glow it's giving me already. Oh my god, that actually feels so soft. Okay, loving life, living the dream. Next thing, foundation. We're going to take this, which I'm really excited about. So this is the Cinema Secrets Pro Cosmetics Ultimate Foundation. Ultimate? Okay. And this is the PS30163A. I'm so excited to try this. I really want to try their actual palette as well. Woo. This looks like really nice coverage. I reckon you could build this as well, even more. Like, it's quite dewy, which is nice, but it also feels quite matte at the same time. Ultimate foundation, okay. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Ultimate Corrector that we used earlier in the shade 60118 Light Red Neutralizer, again from Cinema Secrets. This concealer feels really soft. This is really hydrating. I don't know whether it's the primer or both of them just working together and the foundation, but it feels like really good coverage, but soft as well. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to take the foundation brush that we use and just blend out any harsh lines and pat this into our skin even more, pat this into our skin even more. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set my face with a large powder brush, and I'm going to take the Ofra Press Powder Oil Control that we used earlier. I'm going to use this one that I used earlier. So then I'm going to give myself a little cream contour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Jordana Sculpt and Go Creamy Contour Stick. I got this in Deep. I got this in the colour Deep. So I'm just going to go directly where my cheekbone sits, a little bit below it. And on the other side as well. Tiny bit, actually, not too much, but a tiny bit. I'm contouring. Then 2 little dots there, and a little bit there. And also a tiny bit above my lip. I know we're going to give a lip liner there later, but just gives you more of an angle and definition to your face. So I'm going to use the same brush that I used with foundation earlier, because this is going to make it blend in even more seamlessly. That side's just blended out perfectly. I'm sorry about, and that's not my technique. I've never used this before, and why haven't I? Unreal. So creamy. I'm always looking for a new cream contour. So I always feel like a powder contour just sits so much better on a cream contour, and you could instantly warm up your face. So then I'm going to take the Michelin Beach Please Bronzing and Contouring Powder. The packaging is so cute. I'm super impressed with this contour, by the way, so hopefully we can just pat this on. So I'm just going to take any contour angled brush. I'm using the Morphe one. See, I feel like it just sits so much nicer when it's on top of a cream contour. It's already given you that base, that colour. Okay, so I'm going to take the eyeshadow brush that already had bitten on it, and I'm going to take it into the Curtain Call. I know that it's a high pigment eyeshadow and it's already got bitten on the eyeshadow brush, but it's going to allow it to create more of a soft underline below our waterline. Okay, so I'm beyond excited to use this. This is the Kathleen Lights Makeup Geek eyeshadow palette, and look at these colours. I don't even know where to start. I don't even know where to start. I'm so excited. Kathleen Lights. I love Kathleen Lights, and she's now brought out Makeup Geek palette. Okay, so I'm going to take a large fluffy brush for your eyes, and it just gives you a lot more precision to use on your cheekbone. So I'm going to dip it into this colour and this colour. I feel like this would be really nice on holiday, this colour, for maybe when you're going out and you want a really bronze, glimmery, summer, shimmery look. Wait, did you just see that? Just whatever you're seeing right here, this is just insane, it's blinding. Then we're gonna add a bit of blusher, because I feel like it just completes a look. I love to have a blusher because it just blends the contour with the highlight. So I'm gonna take the Michelin Treat Me Sweet Powder Blush. The packaging on this is so cute. Be my blush crush. Okay, babes, I'm hoping you're a good blusher, and then I will. You only need the tiniest bit of that as well, because it's really pigmented, so I feel like it looks really nice. Okay, lips. Last but by no means least, we are going to take the Easy Liner for Lips from Jordana, and this is in Terra Kiss. I like quite a dark lip line, because that's just me. I love a dark lip line, just because I feel like it makes them look even more prominent. It does look dark right now, but I just pat in so it looks a little bit less heavy, but when we put the matte liquid lip, it's gonna look nice, hopefully. Oh, I've got 2 colours here, the dose of colours. I don't know which one to use. I've got Los Angeles, cute, and Truffle. Okay, I'm gonna take the matte liquid lipstick from Dose of Colours. I've used this before. I haven't used this exact shade, but I've used the Dose of Colours liquid lip, and they are unreal. So this is the colour Truffle. What I like about the Dose of Colours liquid lips is that they're actually quite hydrating at the beginning, so they don't dry really quick, because sometimes you want to move it around a tiny bit. Like sometimes I put my lips together just to make it blend a bit more, and sometimes when they're too dry I'm like, oh, I can't move my lips, but I love it. Living the dream. Okay, honey, so this is the finished makeup look. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I love the fact that it's bold on my eyes. I've gone with a nude lip, which matches the eye makeup. I love this highlight so much. I'm obsessed. All of the products I've used today will be linked down below in the description, so I really hope you've enjoyed this. Please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. I'd be so grateful. So until next time, I'm gonna love you and I'm gonna leave you.